Welcome to UPTKD Register System. Here we're going to show you how to use the website. The first step is to click on Register. As you can see, you just have to introduce your information. Email, repeat your email, password, and repeat your password. Introduce the letters and numbers you see. If you don't understand them, you can click here again and introduce those. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Register. The user has been created successfully. Now you have to log in with your email and the password you've just created. You can see here in the top right corner and check that you've logged in. The next step is to add a team. Click on Add Team and introduce information as required. Select the type of the team. You can select a club, a regional federation, or a national federation. A regional federation can also be a state or any kind of group in charge of other clubs. Introduce the name of the club, the coach's first name, last name, ID number, telephone number, repeat the telephone number, select the country, and the city. Now you have to select the federation. As we're in Spain, you can see the list of regional federations we have. If you cannot find your federation or club, you can also select others or unlisted. Select the logo of the club. The image you select cannot have a size bigger than 300 kilobytes. You should also take into account that the image has to have a format JPG. It won't accept another format, and the length of the name can be maximum 45 characters. Select the coach's photo, which has the same requirements. Select a JPG image, which is less than 300 kilobytes. Save. And as you see, the team or federation was successfully added. Once we've done this, we add team members. Click on Add Team Members. Introduce the information of each of the members. First name, last name, ID number, the gender, male or female, and the country. Introduce the grade, which is the belt you have, and introduce your license number. As well as the license expiration date. Introduce your birth date, competitor's birth date, and select a photograph for this competitor. Save competitor. To save the competitor, click over here. And you can also add other stuff if you click over here, such as coaches. Introduce the first name of the coach, or the technical director, or the president, as well as his ID number, his birth date, and a photograph. Once again, the requirements are the same. Click on Save Competitor. And as you can see, the staff member competitor is well created. You will see the username and the red cross. If there's been a mistake, the competitor will have not been created. You will not see the competitor's name and you will have to correct the information. Introduce it again. First name, last name, ID number, gender, the country, the grade, license number, expiration date of the license, birth date of the competitor, and the image, the photograph. Click on Save Competitor. And as you can see now, it does appear. This has been created successfully. We have the competitor on the left with a cross and the staff member on the right with a red cross. If it has a red cross, it means the staff member or competitor has been created successfully. If you click on the username of the coach, you can see his information over here. And if you click on the user, on the competitor, you can see the competitor's information. The country, the grade, birth date. The next step is tournaments. We click on tournaments. Here we're going to click on the third tournament, for example, because the other two are closed. The registration date is finished. And here we can see all the information of the tournament, and we can sign up to the tournament. We just have to click over here. And you have a list of competitors. You have to select the ones you want to sign up to the tournament. If there are other ones, 4, 5, 6, you would select the ones you would want to sign up in this tournament. Select the category and the weight of the competitor. And in case he needs an authorization from the parents, you would introduce that. Then click on Register. Here you can see we have the competitor in the list. If it has a red cross on the left, it means he is included in that list and he has signed up for that list with his weight, his category, his grade and his license number. If you click on it, you can also change his weight and save the changes. If we go in the tournament, we can add more competitors. You can also download any kind of certificate you would need and send it. You can also download a proof of payment, a receipt. That's it. We hope we help you.